Naubos na yung honey dito sa unang frame na hinarvest namin kaya bubuksan ko ulit itong pangalawang frame. At gumagamit ako dito ng flow key, itong hawak ko na metal para ma-open up yung honey cells at mag-flow pababa yung mga honey. Get ready for the honey! It's starting to flow.
Yay!
Here comes the honey!
Here comes the honey! Yay! Thank you, bees. It's falling and it's so look. Bees make honey.
Yes. Bees make honey. Thank you, bees!
Oh dear. Honey!
There's a golden honey inside. Yum!